Hi, welcome to HTVFAST. It's your favorite main vinyl guy, Nelson Douglas. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out the price of your vinyl creations. We'll help you do it. Just go to HTVFAST on your mobile phone and click the calculator. It is absolutely free. Once you're there, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. First, enter the number of print locations on your shirt. And if you have a front and a sleeve print, you guessed it, that's 2 locations for double the profit. Fill out the number of vinyl colors that you're using at each location and then click next. Secondly, select your favorite HTVFAST material from the drop-down list. Well, maybe not your favorite, but the one you're planning on using for the print location. And be sure to enter the dimensions on both print locations to make sure that you're getting an accurate estimate when you get to the second part. These options also give you're able to change them by having 2 different sizes for the print location at any time. Click next. Once you get to the third step, enter the cost for the item that you're printing, and make sure you check your receipt for Hobby Lobby and put it in the field. Drum roll please. Click calculate, and boom, there it is. The cost to make your creation and even some bonus info about what you can sell it for. If you need any help using our calculator, please send us a chat on htvfast.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, when you come to HTVFast, the only missing piece is you.